Students, today we have transition state theory. As in previous lecture, I said we discussed about Coulombian theory for reaction rates. Now we have transition state theory. According to transition state theory, while there is a reaction, there is a state that's unstable state where you have a molecule or a complex wherein you have elongated bonds and which is very unstable, inherently unstable state, intrinsically actually unstable state. That state is called transition state, and the complex formed during that state that is called activated complex. And this transition state theory is based on the concept of actually thermodynamic equilibrium. This state during the reaction, the transition state is actually in a thermodynamic equilibrium with all type of reactants. Okay, what is actually thermodynamic equilibrium? That is actually dealing with the thermodynamic parameters for reactants and products are actually in equilibrium state. So that is called thermodynamic equilibrium. So transition state theory, correct transition state theory, you have a reactant A plus B. Okay, it will give you a C, that is intermediate state, that is a transition state, and then it will go to the product. Okay, so this symbol refers to the transition state. So when you have a product, the rate of usually dx over dt is actually proportional to the concentration of the species present in the transition state. Okay, and this proportionality part will be replaced by this. This m is actually, it has the units of frequency. This frequency actually, you can say the energy required to vibrate the molecule or vibrate the transition state, the molecule present in transition state. So later we will explain the concept of this in terms of vibrational frequency. Okay, this is here because this concept is actually dealing with the concept or dealing on the basis of thermodynamic equilibria. So when we are going to write the equilibrium equation for this particular case, and we have equilibrium constant because it is dealing with the transition state, it will be equal to the reactants, products over A and B. If for particular this A, I am going to write A, and for B, I am going to write the concentration B. So this is your equilibrium constant for transition state, where you have the concentration of the transition state, the species present in the transition state, and the concentration of reactant A and B. And initially I said this theory is based on thermodynamic equilibrium. So we are writing this equilibrium in transition state. Okay, and now the value of transition state will be equal to equilibrium constant A and B. Okay? Clear? You can write the value of C from this one. So this part will be equal to dx over dt is equal to m equilibrium constant A and B. Similarly, because you have two molecules in the reactants, so this is a second order reaction. If it is an elementary step, then its rate will also be written like this, A and B. Okay, and its rate will be equal to K, meaning rate constant A and B. This is your equation 2 and this is your equation 1. Now you have to compare these two equations because their left side are equal, then the left sides will be, then the right sides will be K AB is equal to M equilibrium constant AB. Don't confuse with this K and this. This is your rate constant, whereas this is your equilibrium constant. Okay? The further step will be, you have the rate constant while using the concept of transition state theory is equal to m this part. Okay? This is, in this way you can find the rate constant of reaction while using the concept of transition state theory. Okay. As I said, this what is the actual purpose of or the function of this m? I said it has the units of frequency, so it will utilize to vibrate the molecule present in transition state or activated complex. So you can compare this with Planck's theory, and we have, according to that theory, you have this m is actually equal to RT over NH. Okay, I will give you this value. This has some backgrounds. I am not going to discuss the background of this, but this m on some theoretical basis or calculation based RT over NH. You have to put the value of this over here, RT over NH. Here you have K transition. This is your final equation. R is general gas constant, and you have its value. Okay. T is the temperature. N is Avogadro's constant. H is Planck's constant. Okay. H is your Planck's constant. If you are working at temperature that is 300 Kelvin or like this, then you will have some values that will be equal to, you can find the value of this if temperature is given. R is 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. If temperature is 300 Kelvin, N is your 6.02 10 to the power 23 per mole, and H is 6.626 10 to the power 34 joule second. Okay? 10 to the power 34 joule second. By putting all these values, if you are dealing with temperature of 300, you will have some sort of values that will be equal to approximately in the range of 10 raised to power 12. Then its part, this part, here you have actually, this is your m that will be equal to, by putting all these values, that will be have some value 10 raised to power 12 per second. Okay? You will come up with some values that will be equal to this value. Okay? Now you can find the rate cost at specific temperature by using the concept of this one. As I said, this theory is in fact based on thermodynamic equilibrium. Okay, so this theory can also use to relate the concept of rate constant with thermodynamics, and we know that Gibbs free energy is equal to delta H minus P del S. Because we have to deal with transition state theory, here you can write this mean transition state. What is change in G? Change in free energy or change in energy for the formation of transition state. Okay. Similarly, this is free energy This is enthalpy, this is entropy. For you know the energy available to do work. Enthalpy is the total heat content present in the system because it is dealing with transition state, and the enthalpy of transition state, change in formation of transition state, and then entropy is the disorder, mean arranged or disarranged, arrangement, proper, good arrange or bad arrange, you can call it. If there is random, meaning disorder, then entropy, the value of entropy will be positive. Okay. Now this is also equal to minus RT natural log of K transition. Now by using this equation and this, you can relate the concept of thermodynamics and rate constant and transition state theory. So we have delta H minus T del S equal to minus RT natural log of K transition. Okay, because you have to find the value of this one. You have to actually going to relate, and you have K is equal to RT over N H, and you are going to find the value of K from that thermodynamic equation. So you can write it, if you transfer this factor over here, it will be like RT natural log of K is equal to T del S minus this one. Okay, you have RT, you can transfer RT over there, it will be equal to T RT minus over RT. Okay, in further step, this T will be cancelled by this. Here you have this one, and here you have this one. Okay, and we know that it's a property of log, natural log. K will be equal to exponential, mean K e raised to power R minus RT. Okay, E is up. Now you have the value of K. Now you can transfer this value, this term over here, and you have K is equal to RT, and this value RT NH E raised to power R minus over RT. This equation can also be written as EXP this equation is actually used to relate relate the concept of thermodynamics and rate constant, and you can find, if you have some thermodynamic values and these parameters, you will find the rate constant or these values. So this theory is actually going to relate the kinetics with thermodynamics. So this is your equation. In this equation you have entropy, you have enthalpy, okay, you have some pre-exponential part. This is your exponential part, this is called pre-exponential part. Okay. Now next step is to relate the rate determined through collision molecular theory and this theory. According to collision molecular theory of gases, rate is equal to Pz exponential minus E over RT. This was your concept of collision theory. Okay. Now you have to relate concept of Coulomb theory with this synergy and this synergy. This synergy and this synergy mean the value of E activation energy of complex and enthalpy are almost very close to each other. The problem is with pre-exponential factor. This Z, it has the units like this, but this part has the units like this. So there is a lot of difference. Okay, greater the value of Z, greater is the rate constant, but here you have a major difference between these rate constant determined through these two theories. And other part is with entropy. If you have bimolecular reaction, usually in case of bimolecular reaction, the reactants are in higher random state, meaning they are more disordered, whereas products are ordered in ordered state. If there is a more arrangement in the product side, then this value will be in negative. Mean arrangement, suppose A plus B goes to AB. This is more arranged, so lower entropy, lower value of S entropy. Here you have less arrangement, okay, higher entropy. What will be the change? Lower S minus higher S give you negative value of change in entropy. If the value is negative, then this exponential will give you value less than unity. Okay, so rate determined through kinetic transition state molecular theory concept will be less than unity, will be lower for bimolecular reaction. But if you have unimolecular reaction, suppose unimolecular reaction, in case of unimolecular reaction, you have this sort of molecule. Okay, it will give you some like this sort of, suppose I am just giving you an example. This is more arranged situation. This is less arranged situation. More arranged. This is less arranged. Okay. In this case, higher entropy. Okay. Whereas in this case, lower entropy. The difference will be higher entropy minus lower entropy. You will have some positive values, and it will give you a value, exponential value more than unity. So, in addition to the role of this part, there is the concept of, or the term of, or the part of entropy is also very important while dealing with the concept of transition state theory to find the rate of it. And for today,